Hello, good morning. My name is Junior Xavier and present my social network, okay? And build with Python, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. In this website, okay, I will click on this link, okay? Okay, I log in. I will log in as Junior. I will type my password. Okay, I will click on login button. Okay, now I connect as Junior. And I can create a new post. I can type, for example, I love CS50 so much as a post. I click a post button. Okay, it's display here. Okay, and I can see all my posts. Okay, I can see all my posts here. I can see all my posts, and the all post page list posts from every user newest first. Each card shows the username, content, that time, and current likes. Okay. Profile page. You can click on Junior. Okay. Here I have 0 followers. I follow one person. Okay. And and I can click on following. Okay. I follow one person. This person called AAA. Okay. Okay. Pagination. Pagination. 6. Pagination. Scroll the bottom where more than 10 box exist. Click next, then previous. Okay. 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 I can click 2. Okay. Pagination. Page 1 of 2. I can click 2. I can click 1. Okay. Next. Etc. I can edit my post. Okay. I love you so much. I can edit like here. I love you so much. Thanks, Prof. David. Okay. I click save. Okay. I click save. I can click like one like. You see? Like, one like, unlike, 0 like. Okay. And this is the project we covered: posting, profile, following, pagination, editing, and like, unlike, everything required. Thanks for watching.